Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI. So have you ever wanted to find a cute top that you can use for date night, for girls' night out, for a party? Well, then look no further than this bodysuit from Allchic. It is super cute bodysuit. I love that it has just the one sleeve. It is a long sleeve and the fit is perfect. I am wearing a small and it fit exactly like I wanted to. It is a full bodysuit, so I also don't have to worry about it coming out from my jeans, so it gives me a nice look. But what I like is, like I mentioned before, you can use it with jeans. You could use it with a dressy pair of pants. It is so versatile. Dress it up, dress it down. The options are endless. So if you're looking for that top that has it all, then look no further than this one shoulder bodysuit from Allchic. But that's just my point of view.